Good AM. Today is Monday, December 18, 2023. And here are the 10:30 AM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the STL Store 3 10:30 AM results for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for December 18, 2023, Monday. Here are the STL Store 3 10:30 AM result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Monday, December 18, 2023. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of December 18, 2023, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.